Hi, welcome to Jackie Burns Creations. Today I am doing a collab with my girls. This is my thing, and these are just some fantastic ladies. We did a collab last month on this, and we'll do one next month. So here we go. This is project number 1. I ordered this sample kit of the Chalk It Up, and I'm just kind of looking at the instructions, and I thought, well, now how can I change this up a little bit? I mean, I like the saying, it's cute, but I wanted to change it up a little bit. So I got these samples of the paint, and I'm just watched enough people and read the instructions that I think I know what I'm doing. We'll see. And anyway, I put a little bit out on the plate, and it says that you have to fuzz it so it's not so sticky that it won't stick and take your paint up. But I had previously stained this round. This is a 12-inch round that I got from Amazon. And I'm just kind of seeing if I need to block this off. But they gave you this little tool, this little squeegee tool, to try it. And so I'm squeegeeing the I love. And I'm going to lift it up. And it says to lift it straight up, don't pull it from the side. And I am adjusting it now because I want to put pumpkin anything. And so I'm going to save the other color for the pumpkin, and I'm putting down anything right now. And some of those little leaves off to the side. Can you believe I actually got it in frame where everybody can see what I'm doing? Amazing. You just kind of forget when it's overhead that you might be out of frame. So I tried to do it carefully so I didn't go into any other parts. You just put the paint down, then you just kind of squeegee it, and then you press it down and squeegee it again and lift any extra paint. So I'm cutting open the next one. It says it's a copper color. I thought, oh, this would be a nice color for the word pumpkin. So I'm trying to do it real careful so I don't overlap into the black. And it's pretty cool. I liked it. I'm not sure if I'll order more or not, but I liked it. So I've got down, I love pumpkin anything. And this was a window cling, and that's what all of these DIYs are, is to see how many projects we can make from a window cling. And the window cling I got at Dollar Tree. And I thought this was cute, sweeter than pumpkin pie. And I put down a little Mod Podge so it will stick. And I'm just going around the edge. I used these quite a bit last Christmas, and it was pretty fun. I made some really cute things with it. So I've got on one side of some leaves, tying in the colors. And then I thought I'd just leave that, and I thought, no, it's just too bare over on the left-hand side. So you see me twiddling my fingers thinking about it. And I pulled out the leaves and did some more. It's not exactly symmetrical, but it balances. And here I've got little darker leaves and the yellow and the orange leaves. And I didn't want it to be exactly the same on both sides. So I cut a pumpkin in half, and I'm just cutting a little channel out of the middle so it'll fit over the stems of the leaves. And I like the color of these pumpkins. They seem a little more copper-like. Now I'm putting the hanger on the back. Extending a hanger across the back of it. And I saw Holly Hot Humble Pie do this once, and I've done it ever after, and I noticed a lot of people are doing it now because it really does hold your hangers really well. And sometimes the hot glue just wants to let go. So this just gives it a little more security. Just turning on my heat gun so I can get rid of some of these glue strings. And there it is, all finished. I like it. I think it came out pretty good. Okay, now for project number 2. I had this little mason jar looking sign that I got from Dollar General a while ago, and I had painted a whole bunch at once. So I guess I deleted the footage because it was quite a while ago. So I just painted it white. And I took, instead of peeling the window cling off, I just cut around them to make the back really white, to make it a little more vivid. And so all I'm doing is just gluing on leaves and the little coffee cup. This would be really cute on a tier tray. And see, look at that. That one was so easy and so quick. And who doesn't like quick and easy? I do. But cute. Cute on top of that. Now here's project number 3. This is another one that's real quick and easy. Just painting this oval plaque that I got from Dollar Tree in their Crafter's Square section. Using the Waverly chalk paint, which is a Plaid product, which is my favorite. I'm a proud Plaid ambassador. Making it more quick and easy, using my heat gun to dry it. And these window clings, they really go a long way. This is my third project, but actually I've still got 2 more window clings. One says hello fall and one says gobble gobble. And I'll use those in another couple of projects. So look at that. That could be 5 projects I got out of there, and included some of the leaves in some of the projects. So I'm just going to make a messy bow while I wait for it to dry a little bit. Did a couple of coats of the paint. Just making a small one. And I just think the messy bows are so much fun because you can just use any kind of ribbon, big, little, mixture of colors, variety of colors and textures. And I just have to fluff it out a little bit. I had another project for you, but I noticed I spelt something wrong on it, so I'm going to have to go over and paint it and redo it. But I like this one that said, I'm just here for the pie. So I'm going to Mod Podge that down. And here's another one of my favorites from Plaid, Mod Podge. And if you've watched my channel before, you know how much I love my Mod Podge. I'm not sure I could craft without it. Just using a little hot glue and gluing on some leaves here. Here I go with my bow. And I didn't show it, but I stuck a little teeny tiny pumpkin in the middle. And I know I probably don't always say it, but I just want to let you know that I love my subscribers. I love each and every one of you, and I appreciate your support of my channel. And if you could share this video, that'd be great. Trying to make my channel grow a little bit more. Trying to get some more of my hours in for the watch so I can get up to 4,000 hours. And the more thumbs up you get, the more comments you get, the more YouTube will pay attention to you and help promote your channel. So here's the last project all done. This would be cute in a tier tray too. So I hope you enjoyed each and every one of these. They were fun. I'll be doing the rest of them pretty soon. And I thank you for coming. And come again. Bye.